Welcome to this beautiful Eldorado model in Cardinal Forest, tucked away on an amazing cul-de-sac. Join us on our video tour today. A few steps off your foyer is this large living room with hardwood floors, this beautiful bay window that the previous owner loved to set her plants on. She had amazing plants. The gourmet kitchen with 42-inch cabinets, granite countertops, a granite backsplash, built-in microwave, stainless steel, gas range, has access to both your living room and dining room and another bay window. The new owner will love their primary suite. The thing I love the most about it is the natural sunlight, the hardwood floors, the large closets, and you have your ensuite with updated tile, a step-in shower, and beautiful lighting. The upper level features 2 additional bedrooms with hardwood flooring and 1 updated full bathroom with walk-in shower and tub. The lower level recreation room is another great space in this home for entertaining. You've got your sliding door that walks up to your brick patio to your own private gardening oasis. Now, follow me over to this wet bar for all of your entertaining needs. We call it a wet bar because it has its own sink. This can be used for lots of different things. You don't have to look at it as just a bar. The lower level also features recessed lighting, 2 additional bedrooms, and an updated full bathroom. Right off of your dining room is this beautiful deck covered with trees. You have steps to go down your deck onto your brick patio. This home truly feels like you're in your own treehouse. We hope you enjoyed this video. Please reach out to the Nellis Group for your own private tour.